Hey, what's up YouTube man? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna share the second tip on the 5-tip series in this channel. So yeah man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share all my videos among your friends. Yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the video. The second tip. So bro, to tell the truth, I've got FML and zip files from last year that I can still open and edit them if I want to master or mix, since I lost my phone. So whenever you save the zip files and the FML, even if you lose your phone, you can still find them in maybe you save them on your emails or you save them on your SD card. So it's always important to save the zip files and the FML and the MP3, the MIDI, wave, flag, OGG is also important. So you guys just have to save your FMLs for future reference and all that. So yeah man, as you can see, I've in each and every bit I have my FML zip files, FML zip files, FML zip files, and it's very important to save the BPM and the key in your beats. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Make sure you watch the community. I post a lot of stuff there, and then check all my shorts videos too.